Hi students, how are you all? Hope that all are fine and safe at home. Today onwards we are going to start our online videos. And today we are going to study the lesson 3rd, Weather and Climate. Are you ready for the class? Yes.
Here we are starting our new lesson, Weather and Climate. Weather and Climate. Do you watch news? Yes, I know every day you will watch news. At the end of the news, they announce the weather of that particular day. From this, what we can conclude, weather is a state of atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. What is weather? Weather is a state of atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. It includes temperature, air, humidity, wind speed, rain or snowfall, and condition of sky. Okay, and it is last only for a short period of time. That is an important thing. Okay, weather it lasts only for a short period of time. And tell me once again, what is weather? Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. What includes? It includes information on the air temperature, air pressure, humidity, wind speed and direction, amount of rain or snowfall and condition of the sky. Okay, and for example, it may be dry and sunny on one day and cloudy and rainy the very next day, even on the same day. It may rain for a few hours and then become sunny again. Also, weather relates to a small area. For example, there may be bright sunshine in your town while it is raining heavily in another town a few kilometers away. Okay, and how weather affects us, how weather affects our daily life. Okay, it controls our daily life, of course. When you go out, if you know there is a chance for rain, you will take your umbrella with you, isn't it? And if there will be storm, fishermen they will not go to the sea. Weather gives precaution against bad weather. That is an important thing. Weather gives precaution against bad weather. What you understood? According to the weather, we will adjust our daily life. We will adjust our daily routine. Okay, and here we are discussing about climate. Okay, what is climate? Are they same? Weather and climate, are they same? They are same, but a small difference. Weather is for a short period, climate is for long period. That is the difference. Weather is for a short period, climate is for a long period. Okay, so how can we define climate? How can we define climate? Climate is the average weather or the regular pattern of weather condition at a place over a long period. Climate is the average weather or the regular pattern of weather condition at a place over a long period. Okay, and how we will calculate? How is it calculated? It calculated in the basis of the weather information collected at the place over a period of 30 to 35 years. Okay, climate remains unchanged for a long period of time. Climate, it will not change for a long period. Now tell me, what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. Climate, it is the regular pattern of weather condition at a place over a long period. Okay, and weather it may change within very short time, but climate remain unchanged over long period. Weather relates to a small area, climate relates to a fairly large area. This is the difference between weather and climate. Okay, once again see what is the difference between weather and climate. Weather, it is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place at a particular time. It may change within a very short time. It relates to a small area. Climate, what is climate? It is the regular pattern of weather condition at a place over a long period. It remains unchanged over long period of time and it relates to a fairly large area. For example, in India it is hot and wet in June every year, isn't it? And the climate relate to fairly large areas. Geographers have divided the world into a few large zones, each with a particular type of climate. Such zones are called climatic zones. Geographers have divided the world into few large zones, each with a particular type of climate. Each zone with a particular type of climate. Such zones are called climatic zones. How climate affects us. Now we will discuss about how climate affects our life. Okay, it will affect in different ways, our dressing style, animals, cultivation, everything. Okay, so here we will learn about how climate affects us. Climate affect our lives in various ways. For example, it determines what kind of clothes we wear. In regions closer to the poles, I think all of you know poles. Okay, people wear heavy woolen clothes to keep themselves warm because it's very cold on the poles. So people will wear woolen clothes to keep them warm. Okay, in the tropical region, people wear light, loose clothes to keep themselves cool. Okay, in the tropical region, people wear light, loose clothes to keep themselves cool. And in region having a distinct summer and winter season, there is a seasonal change in dressing style. According to the season, they will change the dressing style. Okay, and can you guess why some people they are eating rice and some are eating wheat? Mainly the Asian, the people those who are living in South Asia, they will eat rice, and the European they will eat wheat. Why they are selected these kinds of food? It is because the hot, wet climate of South Asia favor rice cultivation. They are producing more rice. And the cooler, drier climate of Europe favor wheat cultivation. Their climate, it will encourage the production of what? Wheat. Okay, and thus climate determine what crop we grow and what we eat. And sometimes climate influences the design for our house. You can see some roofs are flat and some are in other shape. Okay, in wet or snowy region, houses have sloping roofs and to prevent rainwater or snow from collecting on the rooftops. And climate also determine the kinds of plants and animals. Okay, and we see round and we can see different kinds of animal, different kinds of plants around us. For example, we are likely to see palm trees. In some areas only we can see palm trees, and in some area we can see mango trees. Okay, mango trees where we can see in warm places. Pine and fir trees all where we can see in cold places, and cactus where we can see in hot deserts. Okay, so according to the climate, it determine the kinds of plants and animals. Okay, and polar bear, some animals also like that. Polar bears in the cold and Arctic region and camels in desert. This is the way climate affect our life. Okay, and in this video what we learned about the weather, and we learned about climate, and we learned how these weather and climate affect our daily life. Okay, and all of you please read this lesson carefully, and here I am going to give one homework. First, all of you write the difference between weather and climate. Okay, and how weather affect our life and how climate affect our life. Please write a short note about weather and climate. Okay, thank you children.